Water is a very important abiotic feature to this ecosystem.
This is why not all energy is transferred from trophic level to trophic level.
This is a machine!
This is a lichen. It's a decomposer. It uses special acids to break down things such as wood and rock, and decomposes to break down stuff.
This is a moth. Right now it is feeding on clovers that are growing here. This is an example of a non-human herbivore feeding.
Even though you can't really see it, you know?
Right.
It is there.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh shoot, I was off of it the whole time.
Alright, this is a tree. Not only is it hard, it also provides life for organisms in the ecosystem.
This is Charlie trying to dig up some worms.
Go, Charlie!
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone!
Okay, whatever.
Say hello to the camera, Caitlin.
Hello, camera. Okay, we're getting very far. Yeah.
Go, Charlie, go!
Okay. It's an earthworm. It uses soil, turns it into food. It's a dirtivore. Earthworms are very important to the environment. He also looks kind of ugly. Mud. I love mud. I'm absolutely positively wild about mud. Can't go around it, have to go through it. Beautiful, fabulous, super duper mud. 93. How touching.
Is anybody home? Knock, knock!
The sign says no skateboarding. You had to get me in it too. This is going? Yeah. Okay. This, that is litter.
Yeah, it's right there. That's the only part that's really not really wet.
Got a little bit wet.
You! I need you for balance, Leah!
Why?
Oh my god!
A spider.
See? Fossil.
Ooh.
It's not even on our list, but it does look cool.
That's a squirrel up there. You can't see it though because there's no light down here. Oh, did you see something move? That was the squirrel. We are leaving.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye to the, what are we called again? The rain dancers!
Thank you.